How to send Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to send Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet. So in order to do this procedure, you have to make sure that the account is verified. Only then you can begin with the procedure. Let's say that I'm transferring cryptos from Binance to Trust Wallet. So first of all, you need to open up the Trust Wallet application and then copy the wallet address. When you're logged into your Binance account, you need to go ahead and select the crypto that you're transferring. So let's say Bitcoin. And when you open up the Bitcoin, then you need to go ahead and tap the receive button. And as you do that, you'll be taken to the page where you can go ahead and copy the wallet address or download the QR code. And as you're done copying the wallet address or the QR code, exit out of your Trust Wallet, go ahead and log in into your Binance account. And when you are logged into your Binance account, now you need to go to wallets from the bottom right hand side corner, and then you need to go ahead and select funding from the top and then go to transfer. After that, you need to go ahead and select from which account you wish to fund, and when you are done with that, you need to enter into which account. So you need to go ahead and select, then you need to paste in the wallet address that you recently copied, enter in the exact amount that you're transferring, and then confirm the transaction by reviewing all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, then tap the review or confirm button, and then you've successfully sent Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet. So that is how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.